Did you know that experts estimate over 80% of your daily digital tasks could be automated with AI? Most people are still doing them the slow, old-school way, missing out on powerful AI features. If you're still copy-pasting, manually scheduling, and drowning in emails, you're just missing the right AI features. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover amazing AI tools that can literally give you hours of your life back every week. Welcome to Mr. AI Boombastic, your shortcut to working smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into the AI features you're probably not using, but absolutely should be. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, behind on tasks, or like everyone else is more productive than you, this video is for you. Here's the problem. AI is everywhere now, but most people only use the basic stuff. You're using Spellcheck, while others are using AI to write drafts, summarize reports, and brainstorm full campaigns. You're manually dragging meetings around your calendar, while AI can auto-schedule your week based on your priorities. You're scrolling through endless data in spreadsheets, while AI can surface the exact insight you need in seconds. Because no one ever showed you these features, you end up spending hours writing emails and reports. You might be forgetting tasks, missing deadlines, or double booking yourself. You might feel stuck staring at a blank page when you need ideas, or wasting time on repetitive work that drains your energy. The pain is real. Burnout, late nights, and that constant, "I'm always behind" feeling. But the truth is you're not the problem. Your workflow is. And that's what AI can fix. Let's break down a few game-changing AI features you might be missing and how they can actually help you starting today. First, automated content generation. Instead of spending an hour staring at a blank screen, you can use AI to draft emails and follow-ups. It can also help with social media posts, blog outlines, and even video scripts like this one. Here's the hack. You still stay in control of the ideas and the final voice. AI just gives you a fast, messy first draft so you're editing instead of starting from zero. That alone can cut your writing time in half. Next, smart scheduling and calendar intelligence. If your calendar looks like chaos, AI can suggest meeting times that work for everyone. It can block out focus time for deep work, automatically move non-urgent tasks, and send reminders. No more, sorry, double-booked emails. No more wondering what to do next. Think of it as a tiny project manager living inside your calendar. Finally, advanced data insights. Drowning in reports, dashboards, or spreadsheets. AI can summarize your data into plain English. It highlights trends, outliers, and risks, and answers natural language questions like, which product did best last month in the US? Instead of playing human calculator, you become the decision maker. You ask the questions. AI does the digging. But there's one AI feature that ties all of this together, and most people are seriously underusing it: AI-powered virtual assistants. These aren't just set-a-timer voice bots anymore. A modern AI assistant can draft your emails and replies. It can summarize long articles, PDFs, or YouTube videos and generate ideas for your business, side hustle, or content. It can create to-do lists from your notes or meeting transcripts, and even help design slides, thumbnails, or social posts. Here's a real-world example. A solo business owner was spending 3 to 4 hours every day on emails, customer replies, and basic marketing content. By using an AI assistant to draft responses, generate social posts, and summarize long client messages, that dropped to under 1 hour a day. What did they do with the extra time? They focused on sales calls and product improvements, and their revenue went up. Not because they worked more, but because they worked smarter. That's the real power of AI. It doesn't replace you. It replaces your most boring, repetitive tasks so you can focus on the stuff only you can do. So how do you actually start using these AI features without feeling overwhelmed? Try this simple 3-step approach. Step 1. Audit your day. For one day, write down every repetitive digital task you do: emails, scheduling, copy-pasting, data cleanup. Step 2. Automate one thing. Pick just one painful task and search for an AI tool or feature to handle it. Hate writing emails? Use an AI writing assistant. Hate scheduling? Use an AI calendar tool. Hate reading 20-page PDFs? Use an AI summarizer. Step 3. Upgrade gradually. Once that first thing feels normal, add a second AI-powered upgrade. You don't need 20 tools. You just need a few that save you time every single day. Remember, the people who win with AI aren't always the most technical. They're the ones who are curious enough to try and consistent enough to keep using it. To recap, you might be missing out on automated content generation that kills the blank page problem, smart scheduling that protects your time and your sanity, and advanced data insights that turn information into decisions, and AI virtual assistants that tie everything together and free up hours of your day. AI isn't just future tech anymore. It's a practical tool that can upgrade your life right now if you actually use it. Now it's your turn. Which AI feature in this video hit you the hardest, the one you know you should start using today? Tell me in the comments so this community can learn from each other. If you're just getting started with AI and you want a simple, step-by-step guide, tap on my video right here on AI Tools for Beginners. It walks you through the exact tools you can start using today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. AI Boombastic, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next breakdown. You've seen what AI can do. Now it's time to stop sleeping on it and start using it.